Shabbat Shalom from Temple Concord. This week I'm wearing a special sticker because today's election day, even though you're probably watching this a few days after the election and you know what's happened. Our Torah portion this Shabbat, though, gives us a wonderful way to deal with the results of the election that we're now all adjusting to. The Torah portion is Toldot, and it's the story of the twins in the womb fighting. And we are taught that they're these two twins who are very different, and they have different outlooks and different attitudes and very different worldviews, and that one goes one way and one goes the other way, and we're clearly descended from the one and not the other. What I want to suggest is that maybe we're products of both, and maybe we have both of those two fighting twins within us. Maybe the answer isn't to see that we're either this twin or that twin, but rather to recognize that each of us has these multiple views within us. And if we want our world to be more peaceful and more respectful and more dignified, we need to own the fact that we all have within us these multiple things going on, and that our society is made of lots of people who all have that internal conflict. And if we all share that kind of fight within us, then it's hard to say I'm on this side and you're on that side, because we all have within us both this side and that side. In a sense, we're all red and we're all blue at the same time, which means if we can finally recognize that ultimately it's not that we're red and blue, but that we're purple, that we're human, that we have all of it, then we can build the union and the world and the society that we want and we need. And so I hope in these days after the election, we're calming down just a little bit, we're seeing dignity in ourselves and in each other, and we're recognizing that these two warring factions that are existing in our country both have roots in each one of us, and that we all carry little bits of both of those pieces. I hope you'll join us for Shabbat services. Services are at 6 o'clock Friday evening. Saturday morning services are at 11, preceded, of course, by Torah study at 10. Sunday, religious school, and all sorts of fun things going on. The choir will be singing Friday evening with us in services, the adult choir, so that should be a wonderful service. And next week we have a Shabbat dinner, so get your reservations in early. I believe it's the Italian Shabbat, so it'll be lots of yummy carbs. And we hope you can join us. For now, though, I wish you a Shabbat that is calm, that is healing, that is reflective, that says the fighting is done, let's embrace the humanity in all of us. Let's recognize that each of us carry within us these different factions, and that together we can move forward by respecting ourselves and giving respect and dignity and space for the other. Shabbat Shalom for now. Look forward to seeing you at the temple.